Hey guys!
Hey!
I have Shelby with me. Welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. Today we are like tag teaming because I wanted to get a lot of stuff done. Gonna use Shelby to help me. We are going to, we're going to clean the living room and the kitchen, rearrange some furniture.
Which is really why I'm here. She needs some help.
Yes. And then we're going to add a little more end of summer decor, and then at the very end we're gonna do like a little mini home tour type thing. We show you all the decor, and the moving of the furniture, we have a lot of obstacles to overcome. So
yes,
we'll see. It may have to go back to this orientation,
but we're gonna try.
We definitely want to see what it looks like, so stay tuned.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna move furniture first. That way we have to redust. We're gonna move these two chairs and coffee table over there onto that gray carpet. We are going to move the ottoman over here, roll up the rug, vacuum, move the couch over here, turn the rug over, lay it back down, and then position the chairs. Sound like a plan?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Alright, here's some of the aftermath. This is from the rug, and then this is the extension cord that hides under the rug. Look at that. All the way. Alright, Mom's gonna vacuum now, and hopefully, that'll get better. We'll see about that stuff. We ended up with an extra end table. We moved it to the corner. I'm not loving it, but we're gonna live with all of this for now. So I think the next step is we're just gonna start dusting and vacuuming.
have a few items that I want to use in the living room, so we're just gonna put them out and hopefully it looks good. There's not really that much to do in my kitchen. We are going to clean it up because we were stashing the stuff in here. So we're gonna clean that up. I only have a couple of sunflower things to add and we'll show you when it's done.
Mom,
So what do you think, Shelby?
I think it looks cute.
It's growing on me. It's only been about an hour and I'm really kind of liking the living room. So we'll see what TJ says.
I think
when
it
he gets
looks
home.
bigger.
I like it. We'll see what happens.
And I love the sunflowers.
Let me know if you guys have any other ideas. You know, keep in mind my traffic pattern and all of the things going on in there. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below and also give the video a like if you like people moving furniture. We worked hard in this one.
We deserve that like.
All right, guys, you go and have a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.